Finance digital transformation is the strategic integration of digital technologies, advanced analytics, automation, artificial intelligence, AI, cloud computing, and data-driven operating models into the finance function to improve efficiency, decision-making, governance, and enterprise value creation. Rather than simply automating existing accounting processes, digital transformation fundamentally reshapes the role of finance from a transactional and reporting function into a strategic business partner that delivers predictive insights, supports innovation, and enables organizational agility. For modern chief financial officers, CFOs, finance digital transformation has become one of the most important executive priorities, positioning finance at the center of enterprise-wide digital strategy and organizational transformation. Leading executive CFO programs emphasize that finance organizations are experiencing unprecedented change driven by technological innovation, globalization, increasing regulatory complexity, sustainability reporting requirements, and growing stakeholder expectations for real-time financial intelligence. Traditional finance functions focused primarily on bookkeeping, compliance, budgeting, and historical reporting. Today's finance organizations increasingly leverage intelligent technologies to automate routine activities while enabling finance professionals to concentrate on strategic planning, business partnering, risk management, performance optimization, and long-term value creation. The foundation of finance digital transformation is the shift from transaction processing to strategic insight generation. Digital technologies reduce manual processing while increasing the speed, accuracy, and availability of financial information. Instead of spending significant time collecting and reconciling data, finance teams increasingly analyze business performance, forecast future outcomes, evaluate strategic investments, and support executive decision-making through advanced analytics and predictive modeling. One of the most significant technologies driving transformation is artificial intelligence, AI. AI enables finance organizations to automate invoice processing, expense management, financial reconciliation, anomaly detection, fraud identification, forecasting, cash flow prediction, and financial planning. Machine learning algorithms continuously improve forecasting accuracy by analyzing historical patterns, market conditions, customer behavior, and operational performance. CFOs increasingly leverage AI to enhance decision quality while reducing manual workload and operational risk. Robotic process automation, RPA, represents another important component of finance transformation. RPA automates repetitive rule-based activities such as journal entries, account reconciliation, accounts payable, accounts receivable, payroll processing, and regulatory reporting. Automation improves processing speed, reduces human error, enhances compliance, and allows finance professionals to redirect their efforts towards strategic analysis and business partnering. Organizations implementing RPA often achieve substantial productivity improvements while strengthening internal controls and operational efficiency. Cloud computing has fundamentally transformed finance operating models by enabling integrated enterprise resource planning, ERP, scalable data management, collaborative workflows, and real-time financial reporting across global organizations. Cloud-based finance systems improve data accessibility, business continuity, cybersecurity resilience, and organizational scalability while reducing technology infrastructure costs. CFOs increasingly lead cloud transformation initiatives that modernize finance operations and support enterprise-wide digital capabilities. Data has become one of the most valuable strategic assets within modern finance organizations. Finance digital transformation emphasizes data governance, quality management, and analytics to support evidence-based decision-making. Finance teams integrate financial, operational, customer, supply chain, and sustainability data into unified analytical platforms that provide comprehensive visibility into organizational performance. Advanced analytics and visualization tools enable executives to identify trends, monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, evaluate investment opportunities, and anticipate emerging risks in real time. Finance digital transformation also strengthens enterprise performance management, EPM. Modern organizations increasingly replace static annual budgets with rolling forecasts, driver-based planning, scenario modeling, and dynamic performance dashboards that respond rapidly to changing market conditions. CFOs leverage predictive analytics and AI-powered forecasting to improve planning accuracy, optimize resource allocation, and support agile strategic decision-making. These capabilities enable organizations to respond proactively to uncertainty while improving financial resilience and competitive positioning.
Enterprise risk management is significantly enhanced through digital finance capabilities. AI-driven monitoring systems identify anomalies, compliance risks, cybersecurity threats, fraud indicators, and operational disruptions through continuous data analysis. Predictive risk modeling enables finance leaders to assess financial exposures, conduct stress testing, and evaluate multiple strategic scenarios before risks materialize. Digital finance, therefore, strengthens governance while supporting more resilient organizational decision-making. Digital transformation also reshapes the finance workforce. As routine accounting activities become increasingly automated, finance professionals require new competencies in data analytics, AI applications, business partnering, strategic communication, digital technologies, and enterprise leadership. CFOs invest in continuous learning, digital capability development, agile methodologies, and cross-functional collaboration to prepare finance teams for future leadership roles. Human expertise remains essential for strategic judgment, ethical decision-making, stakeholder engagement, and executive leadership despite increasing automation. Cross-functional collaboration has become a defining characteristic of digitally transformed finance organizations. Finance increasingly partners with operations, technology, marketing, supply chain, human resources, and sustainability teams to integrate financial intelligence with enterprise strategy. Embedded finance business partners provide analytical support for pricing decisions, digital investments, customer profitability, innovation initiatives, mergers and acquisitions, and operational improvement programs, positioning finance as a central contributor to business transformation. Environmental, social, and governance (ESG) reporting further accelerates finance digital transformation. Organizations increasingly integrate sustainability metrics, climate-related financial risks, carbon reporting, human capital indicators, and governance data into digital reporting platforms that support integrated reporting and stakeholder transparency. CFOs leverage digital technologies to automate ESG data collection, improve reporting accuracy, and align sustainability performance with financial strategy and long-term enterprise value creation. Effective finance digital transformation requires strong governance, leadership commitment, change management, and strategic alignment. Technology investments alone cannot create transformation without redesigned processes, updated operating models, skilled talent, and a culture that embraces innovation and continuous improvement. CFOs play a central role by aligning digital initiatives with corporate strategy, overseeing technology, investment governance, managing transformation risks, and measuring value realization through financial and operational performance indicators. The Global Competency Framework identifies digital skills, data analytics, leadership, business partnering, strategic thinking, enterprise performance management, governance, enterprise risk management, and organizational transformation as critical competencies for executive finance professionals. Modern CFOs are expected to lead finance digital transformation by integrating technology, data, governance, and strategic leadership to create agile, intelligent, and value-driven finance organizations capable of supporting sustainable enterprise growth. In today's data-driven economy, finance digital transformation has become a strategic imperative rather than a technology initiative. Organizations whose CFOs successfully combine artificial intelligence, automation, cloud technologies, advanced analytics, governance excellence, and strategic leadership into digitally enabled finance functions are better positioned to improve decision-making, accelerate innovation, strengthen resilience, enhance stakeholder confidence, and achieve sustainable long-term enterprise value creation.